Okay, picture this. You're in a bustling piazza in Italy, coffee in hand, the smell of fresh espresso in the air, and you're about to set up for the most breathtaking destination wedding. Candlelit tables, long family style seating, rolling Tuscan hills in the background. And here's the kicker. This dream wedding did not come from Instagram, did not come from paid ads. It did not come from my website. It happened because I said yes to working for another wedding planner. The simple decision can be one of the smartest, most strategic moves to grow your wedding planning business. Today, I'm going to share exactly how assisting other planners can, first of all, skyrocket your network and bring in high-paying dream clients, but also land you once-in-a-lifetime incredible experiences that are priceless. And stick around because in the end, I'll share exactly how you can apply to assist our team on some of our biggest weddings in the next coming years. By the way, if we haven't met, hi, my name is Gabby. I am the owner of 'Cause We Can Events. I've been planning weddings for over a decade. I'm talking coastal, mountain, desert, safari in South Africa, you name it, we've done it all. And I just wanted to teach new and experienced wedding planners how to grow their profitable and joy-filled business without essentially burning out, but also me sharing my crazy experiences so that you don't feel so alone. Working for other planners has been one of the most unexpectedly powerful growth strategies in my entire career. And I think it's not like the movies where we think the wedding planners just all butt heads and nobody's nice to each other. In fact, it's quite the opposite, and it can bring you some of these incredible experiences. And here's the truth. Some of my most profitable weddings didn't necessarily come from ads or from style shoots or social media. It came from referrals, not just from photographers or venues, but like specifically other wedding planners. Here's how it works. When you assist another planner, you're essentially giving them front row seats to seeing you in action. Like, they get to see how you communicate with vendors. They get to see how you solve problems when things get a little bit messy, and they see how you treat the couple like gold. If they can't take a wedding, maybe they're booked, maybe it's not their style, maybe it's outside of their travel radius, well, you can be their go-to for recommendations. It's like having a team of marketing reps that are just working for you, but you don't have to pay them a single dollar in advertising. I mean, it's a win-win. And actually, here's an example. So a few years ago, I worked as an assistant for a planner out in California, and we had just moved to Nashville, and she was looking to refer the client, like a big luxury client, out to someone that was in Nashville. And because we had worked together and she appreciated my experience, my expertise, my problem solving, she knew that those clients would be in good hands by referring them to me. And sure enough, they booked, and I booked like, I don't know, a $12,000 package at the time, which was super exciting. And I didn't have to travel, which is nice. I got to stay home. But now I know that I am one of her go-to referrals for this specific area for some of her luxury clients. Now, while we're talking about it, I'd be super curious to know how many of you have already gotten leads from another planner. Is this something that happens to you already? Is this something you're looking to get more of? Comment below while we're chatting. I'm just curious. Okay, next let's talk about Italy specifically. I didn't just wake up one day and slap Tuscany weddings on my website and then all of a sudden start booking, right? It started when a planner friend was working this luxury wedding out in Italy. She needed an extra pair of hands, and she's seen my work. We were in a mastermind together. She knows that I run a business. She knows that I'm a really good troubleshooter. So she reached out and asked if I would come and assist. So next thing you know, I have a flight book to Florence. I'm walking the property with the vendors and the other planner. I'm learning the ins and out of like Italian catering, some of the traditions, and honestly, just like soaking in all of it at once. The point that I'm trying to make is that you can't always buy your way into these dream experiences, but you can earn your way by being the kind of professional that other planners trust and would want on their team. And it doesn't have to be Italy. Like, it could be locally to you, or a venue that you've been super excited to work at, but it's just really hard for you to get in. Having a network of other planners like this to showcase your skills can at least give you access to some of these venues, and later on, you will book your own clients from that.
Hey, hi from Italy. It is wedding day. We've been busy. I haven't had time to do much behind the scenes, but we're at this beautiful villa up in Florence area. I'm headed to the bridal suite. We're gonna get the couple over here for photos, and then we're going to keep setting up the reception. I'll take you guys along as much as I can.
Here's another perk. So when you're working for other planners, you're essentially getting a free masterclass in how someone else runs their business. I say this all the time. You get to see their workflows, their client communication style, how they handle tricky vendor relationships or family drama, and how they prep their team. What I even like more about this is that you get to choose what you like and what you don't like about how they do it, and then cater it to your own process and how you want your clients to feel on the day. Like every time I've assisted another planner, and still do, I've picked something up later that I've applied to my own business. So whether it's like a time-saving template or a brilliant ceremony trick or way to manage a vendor load-in that just kind of makes things a lot less stressful. And the other bonus too is that your portfolio grows, right? So those high-end weddings that you're assisting on, you can usually get permission to share some level of content, at least some behind the scenes stuff, which really elevates your own brand and shares with potential clients that you're capable of doing this.
I'm working for Kay Northrup Events this weekend, so you can see I have her apron on. Guys, this is why I talk to you about making sure that you assist other planners, because you get so many great opportunities. So I'm here with her team for this wedding, and it's been a blast so far.
So how do you actually make this happen? Well, first of all, you gotta tell the people, you gotta tell your network that you're available, and be as specific as you can be. So for example, you may wanna say that I'm only available to assist destination weddings, or I will be in this part of the world this summer, would love to assist other planners, or maybe there's a specific venue or style that you wanna do. But also, if you're open to anything and everything, by all means, spread the word, because the more experience you get, the stronger of a planner you will be on your own. Then consider joining some industry groups. I've talked about this in Nashville. We have an amazing group called the Nashville Wedding Planners. It makes us feel like we are like one big happy family, and we can talk shop and share connections. And something that pops up on those groups all the time is that planners are posting, hey, I need an assistant from 1 to 10 at this venue. I apply to do those shifts sometimes because it's a venue that I want to get in at, I want to know better, or honestly, I just want to hang out with some of my wedding planner friends and some of the vendors locally. Okay, and I've mentioned this before, but inside my YouTube membership, I am going to be posting some real opportunities on how to work with my team. It's an application process. I will have the link in the description below. I am giving priority to the planners that are in the membership first, and we actually already have someone from our membership that's flying out to Lake Powell under Canvas in this September. And I'm super excited. 2 people from that team are coming out, and we're gonna have an amazing weekend, glamping style, festival style wedding, multi-day, and they're just gonna get some boots on the ground experience. It's gonna be a blast. Okay, so all that to say, working with other planners isn't a step backwards as some people may think. It's actually one of the smartest forward-thinking moves that you can make in your business. It expands your network, it builds your skills, it boosts your credibility, it opens doors to incredible opportunities that you may not ever landed otherwise. And not only that, but you get to work with vendors that you maybe haven't experienced before. And then you can be better educating your own couples on whether or not that vendor would be a good match for them. So if you're ready to grow your business, I'd love for you guys to join us in the membership. All the links are down in the description below. You will have a ton of opportunities to come and join our team on some destination weddings in the next coming years. And always, if you are local to the Nashville area, some of you have actually emailed me to assist on some local weddings, and please, I love that. So definitely find me in the DMs, send me an email. I would love to put you on the list of assistants. We still have, if you're watching this when this is live, we still have some opportunities to have assistants in our some of our Nashville weddings here in the fall. So I'd love to keep you in mind for that. But please don't be afraid to reach out to your local wedding planners. Start there, and as they gain your trust and they see your experience, they will start adding you to events that are bigger and more exciting. And that's where you really get to shine and experience these cool destination weddings. So as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Love seeing you here. And if you have any questions or have a request for an upcoming video, please write them in the description in the chat below. I would love to hear from you. Bye.